Hello.
Hello.
Yes, bro. There is a network problem. That's why.
Okay.
So today we learn about RIP protocol, routing information protocol. Okay. RIP. This is open standard. Okay. And this is a layer 7 protocol. If this is layer 7 protocol for transportation, it's huge layer 4. Okay. Okay, Cluedo.
Okay.
So it's used UDP port number 520 and it's used default AD value 120 and multicast address of RIP is 2240.0.9 and metric of RIP is hop count. Hop count means from source to destination how many routers, okay, between source to destination how many routers. This is our hop count. So maximum reachable metric is 15, means RIP only reachable for 15 routers and 16 is unreachable and RIP has two versions, version 1 and version 2. Version 1 we can't use and version 2 also we can't use in this time. Okay, so difference between version 1 and version 2. Version 1 update are sent as broadcast and it does not support classless route. Classless route matlab means when we are using subnetting, okay, and it does not support authentication. If we talk about version 2, update are sent as multicast, support classless route, it support authentication. Okay, Justin,
Okay.
Abhishek Sao, any doubt? Cluedo, any doubt, bro? Hello, 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 hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Sorry, network issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ludo, any doubt in this?
No doubts.
Okay. We talk about version 2. Update are sent as multicast. It supports classless route and it supports authentications. So now today we done practical of RIP. If we take three routers and connected with okay, IP of this interface is 21001. IP of this interface is 21002 and 23001 and 23002. This is our network. Okay, sorry. Firstly, we have to do IP addressing. So go on Giga Ethernet 0 by 0 by 0. After that, we give IP address 21001 and then no shutdown. Go on R1. 21002. No, Shraddha. 23001. No, Shraddha. Exit. After that, 23002. No, Shraddha. Exit. Okay. So we can't ping from here to in network 23. Sorry. So what we use dynamic routing. In dynamic routing, we use routing protocols RIP. So command for router RIP in configuration mode, we can run router RIP. After that version we give here 2. Okay, it's important. And after that network. Here we give network which is directly connected to this router and nothing else. Okay, so here we give network and then exit. No another command, because everything is done by routing protocols in dynamic routing. Do not need of we can configure next hop IP or exit interface. Okay, in dynamic routing protocol determine the path. Okay, bro.
Okay.
Yes, bro. Okay. On R2, oh sorry, on R1, we also run RIP. Okay, but here we can give two networks because on R1 we connected two networks 21 and 23. So firstly give version 2 and then network 21 and 23. Okay,
Okay.
Yes.
Justin, any problem?
No problem.
Okay. Router RIP version 2. And then which network is connected to router 2?
23.0.0.
What?
23.0.0.
Okay. And then exit. Now if we can run show IP route. Oh, where's the problem? Show IP interface brief. No problem. Okay. Show IP interface brief. Up and up. Either 0 by 0 by 0. RIP version 2. Show IP route. Now, on R0, 23 network is connecting by using R. R means RIP protocol. Okay. 120 is AD value of RIP, by default AD value. Okay. And one is metric. Metric means hop count, means source to destination, how much router become. So this is 1 Y201002. If we want to ping, then we can ping it. 2300, sorry. Okay, now we can ping from here. From R2 to R0, 2100. Our ping is successful. Any doubt, bro?
No doubt.
Yes.
Abhishek, Sahu just included. If
Okay.
you have any doubt, then tell me.
Okay, sir.